Sam here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the August Boxy Charm box. I am super excited about this box. I did see a spoiler that the Laura Lee Party Animal palette was going to be in this box, and I love Laura Lee. So I'm super excited about this palette. It's definitely not my traditional colors that I use, but I'm gonna have to play with it. It is a very nice soft cardboard palette. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so cute. Here is an up close of the palette. This yellow color is kind of a little bit of a green. I'm not sure how it's going to show up on camera, but these are super bright. The mirror is really nice too. This is a good mirror. The only downside is it's going to flop because it's so soft. It's not going to stay up unless you hold the mirror, but you can just hold it like this. All right, let's go ahead and do some swatches. So here are the swatches of those three colors. The blue showed up really well. The green, yellow, not so well. And here we go. We have orange, pink, and purple. Okay, the purple is really soft. I kicked up a lot on that. It is actually all over my shirt. So here are those swatches up close. Again, the orange and the green color didn't swatch that well. The pink and the purple definitely showed up really nicely. Okay, as much as I would love to put these on my eyes right now, I am getting over an eye infection. That is why I'm wearing my glasses, and I don't want to contaminate this palette, so I'm going to have to wait to test it out, unfortunately, until my eyes are a little bit better. If you did not know, this palette is worth $19. So the next item we have is from Bang Beauty. I did receive a product from them one time that was like a lip and cheek stain. Didn't love that product, but this is really nice. It looks like it's clear. Do you guys see that? The glass looks like it's completely empty, but I'm sure it's not. I'm sure there's something in here. There it is. This is a brown gel eyeliner. I have a little brush right here. We're just gonna test this out. Wow, this brush is really thick. And swatch. Maybe it's that brush. That went on like super patchy. We're gonna try a different brush. Yeah, I feel like they both went on patchy. I don't know what I think about this. This gel eyeliner retails for $22. I have other ones I like a lot better for $22. Next item we have is from Becca Cosmetics, and this is the First Light Priming Filter. So here is the product outside of the box. I don't think this is a full size because I've seen someone with a full size and it was like in their traditional bottles. So I definitely think this is like a deluxe size sample. I could be wrong, but I don't think this is a full size. Oh, can y'all hear that? I'm like shaking it everywhere. It's kind of thin. All right, so it already is seeping out. Let me just squeeze it. As you can see, it's kind of thin. Wow, this packaging is making all kinds of noises here. Here it is on my hand. Let's just go ahead and rub her in. It feels very hydrating. It doesn't feel that oily. It has a nice like citrus smell to it. So as you can see, once you rub it in, you're just left with a nice, soft, dewy looking skin. It's definitely not purple or shimmery. Next, I received ncLA Los Angeles treatment and So Rich. I actually received a green version of this in my glossy box this month. I feel like all of them smell a little different based on the color, so let's see what this one smells like. This one kind of like smells like marshmallows. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cuticle and you just kind of like rub it in. I do think these work wonderfully. This cuticle oil retails for $18. Okay, so next I have 3 eye masks from Wonder Beauty. Wonder Beauty has really like presented themselves in subscription boxes lately. I feel like almost every box I'm receiving one of their products. So they're definitely out there marketing it. I like their packaging. I don't know, I think their packaging is kind of cool, the red and the gold. So these are just going to be gold eye masks that you put underneath your eyes for your bags. The card says these are worth $13. Wow, those are kind of expensive for some little iPads. And the last item I received is from Smashbox, and this is called Be Legendary Metal. Ooh, this is a metal liquid lipstick. And this is in Mauve Squad. Hey, mauve is always a good color in my book. Here is the metallic lipstick out of the box. I love how the top of it has a little metallic color wheel on it. All right, I wiped off my lip gloss, and we're gonna go ahead and try this bad boy out. Let me go ahead and shake it. It's always good to shake liquid lipsticks before you apply them, especially metallics, because sometimes they can separate a little bit. Holy metallic. So while this is very metallic, I do not think it's a liquid lipstick. I'm starting to think it's a gloss because it's kind of tacky, kind of sticky. It doesn't seem like it's drying down really quick, but maybe it'll just take a minute. Let me look at our paper. Yeah, so the paper doesn't say if it's supposed to be a gloss or a liquid lipstick either. I don't know. If you know, leave a comment below, but my instincts and the way this is feeling is telling me that it is a lip gloss. All right, so let's talk about the products that I think are really good this month, which is the Laura Lee palette. That is awesome. I am excited about this Becca primer. This lip gloss, I think I'd like it more if it was a liquid lipstick and it dried down. I'm just not a lip gloss girl. I touch my face way too much and lip gloss just goes everywhere. I actually really like this cuticle oil. It's great. It's not something I would go buy, but I definitely use the one I have all the time. I got one like a year ago in a subscription box, and I still have that one too. It lasts forever because you just need like the smallest amount to put on your cuticles. I'm actually excited about these as well. So the only thing I got this month that I didn't really care for was the brown gel eyeliner. So would I repurchase Boxy Charm? Of course I would. I love Boxy Charm. And if you have not heard, they're going to be doing a Boxy Luxe coming up soon where you can enhance your subscription box for like an extra $28. So it'll be like $50 total. And I am on the waiting list for that because I cannot wait to see what they're going to pack in that new giant box. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Leave me a comment below if you got something different in your box. I did see there might be some variations in some of the products this month, so I'd love to see kind of what other people are getting. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.